I'm meteorologist Chris Holcomb from the 11 Alive Storm Trackers. Humberto has just become a hurricane. Based on the 11 p.m. advisory on Sunday night, the storm was upgraded to a hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 75 miles an hour. And you can see the storm is moving to the northeast at only 3 miles an hour, moving pretty slowly. We have wind gusts up to 90 miles an hour, but the key here is that the movement is toward the northeast. That is away from the Atlantic coastline. We have had some rough surf in Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina for today, and then look what happens. The storm is going to continue moving up toward the north and east by Monday morning, up to 80 mile an hour winds, moving through the Atlantic here. Once we get to Tuesday evening, 100 mile an hour winds. Now it's moving away from the Atlantic coastline. However, you see that black speck right there? That is Bermuda. So Bermuda is in the cone of uncertainty. Even if it isn't a direct hit, we do believe that Bermuda will be feeling some impacts there for the middle of the week. And then the storm moves more up to the north and becomes a tropical storm once we get toward the end of the week. So no major impacts from this storm on the Atlantic coastline as it moves away. There are a couple of other systems that we're watching, potential tropical systems. One of them is here near the coast of Texas, and it is a system that's developing there but has a really low chance of maybe becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm. Only a 10% chance of that happening. But as we move out into the Atlantic, you can see what we're watching. There's Humberto right there. And then we've been watching this one coming off the coast of Africa. It's in the central Atlantic right now. About a 30% chance that that could develop over the next 2 days, and an 80% chance it could develop over the next 5 days. Looking at the extended models though, it looks like this would move up toward the north and then most likely not have any impact on the Atlantic coastline, but as you know, those conditions can change, and we'll keep you updated as we go through the week ahead. Watch 11 Alive for more updates. We also have updates on 11alive.com and Facebook and Twitter.